These houses, just look. This house is by the edge like that. These are Umhlanga houses, so homes. Then it's a new house. It's right at the bend. Icon. It's too busy for my liking. Umhlanga Rocks starts here. This is Umhlanga Rocks across the road. Where I'm standing, it's Umhlanga Ridge. And you can see the ocean down there. That's the ocean. We are not going to Umhlanga Rocks. Everybody knows Umhlanga Rocks and the beautiful buildings. Pale sky. There's the ship there in the ocean. That's it. Khanidar. I don't have time to go there. Jesus, this house. And those are the buildings which are happening here. It's a very busy intersection, as you can see. Just that building there, which they are built, that building there is going to be great. It's the Arc something. Forgot the Arc what. It's very beautiful. Great architecture in the area.